Guys, $100,000 is not six figures anymore. The new six figures is $300,000+. As you can see, the cost of living continues to rise, which means that we are losing value of our money. Remember, when the price of goods and services increase, which is the cost of inflation, every time they print more money than the country actually earned, the result is that we lose value of the money that we already earned and saving. So that's why our money is losing buying power. So the new six figures is $300,000+. So if you make $100,000, you're not even making six figures. So you got to truly, really ask yourself, what are you doing to really save yourself? Do you understand the importance of earning compounding interest? Do you understand the importance of learning how to make more money, learning where to save your money, understanding how to grow your money, and then learn how to protect your money? That's the reason why we teach you these fundamentals, and all you have to pay is attention. So if you're listening to this and you want to learn more, comment "I'm ready." Or you can shoot us a text at 973-873-5977. So that way we can continue empowering you. Guys, let's be for real. Are you making over $300,000+? What are you doing to actually start making six figures right now? It's time we learn so that way we can earn. Keep winning.